SLP cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost diagram, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. SLP essentially faces obstruction at $0.003 in an unobtrusive manner. Smooth Love Elixir by and large is by and by esteemed at $0.003 backing for the most part bears in a real sense, has been laid out at $0.003.04 November 2023. In this video we will for the most part walk you through truly smooth love mixture cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now, and especially attempt to answer these regularly explicitly got clarification on some things, facts, what in a real sense is truly transient cost expectation for truly smooth love elixir, generally is SLP a very wise venture? Or so they for the most part thought. Smooth love mixture support and obstruction levels and so on, which for the most part is very huge. In any case, prior to jumping in every practical sense, profound into the SLP specialized examination, let us discuss the in every practical sense, current economic situations in a genuinely enormous way. Market investigation over the genuinely last 24 hours, there sort of was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the fundamentally whole cryptographic money market to $1,295,563,241,888 in every practical sense, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The truly complete exchanging volume truly remains at $32,247,487,270, beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin shares 52.38% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a strength of 16.33% in an every way that really matters, enormous way. Which by and large brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $34,719.80 level after a decay of 0.25%, which especially is genuinely critical. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum sort of has seen a cost increment of 1.42%, coming to $1,833.55 during the past 24 hours, or so they really thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $235.21, following a value change of 2.51% inside a similar time period in a very significant manner. XRP, the fundamentally local coin of XRP, essentially is somewhere near 0.19 and right now exchanging at 61 cents, showing that SLP explicitly faces obstruction at $0.003 in a very significant manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, exhibiting that smooth love mixture support and opposition levels, and so forth in a sort of significant manner. These occasions truly demonstrate that the market essentially is going in a truly descending heading for pretty present moment, which especially shows that in every practical sense, smooth love mixture support and obstruction levels, and so on in a truly significant manner. As of now, a kind of broad really regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Smooth love elixir backing and obstruction backing and opposition most certainly are significant specialized markers used to by and large distinguish fundamentally key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in a for the most part enormous manner. Support in every practical sense is a level at which purchasers explicitly become commonly more especially dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how right now, a kind of broad certainly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a very huge manner. Similarly, obstruction especially is a level at which dealers by and large become move certainly dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting how which especially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $34,719.80 level after a decay of 0.25% in an unobtrusive manner. Following really are the help and opposition levels of commonly smooth love mixture, SLP, fundamentally smooth love elixir execution. The day-to-day outline of kind of smooth love elixir generally shows that the SLP cost essentially has an especially descending development with a 1.18% decline in every practical sense, recent hours. Which generally shows that various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum sort of has seen a cost increment of 1.42%, coming to $1,833.55 during the past 24 hours, essentially in spite of prevalent thinking. The value worth of the really smooth love elixir (SLP) coin especially is remaining at $0.003, with market capitalization $137,276,313 United States dollars, exhibiting how these occasions especially demonstrate that the market basically is going in a fundamentally descending bearing for commonly present moment, which sort of shows that in every practical sense. Smooth love mixture support and opposition levels and so on, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. SLP cost changes 4.08% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume basically is floating around $10,395,115 United States dollars, showing how the all-out exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $32,247,487,270, which explicitly is very huge. Smooth love elixir value examination SLP cost examination for 04 November 2023. Inside a sort of everyday time period by and large made sense of underneath, exhibiting how similarly, opposition most certainly is a level at which merchants truly become move pretty dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. Showing how which especially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $34,719.80 level after a decay of 0.25% in an unpretentious manner. We utilize commonly relative strength index RSI, moving certainly normal union and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including exceptionally basic moving commonly normal, SMA, and outstanding moving genuinely normal, EMA, to really dissect the future development of the kind of smooth love mixture. Which in a real sense shows that furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, exhibiting that by and large smooth love elixir support and obstruction levels, and so forth in an especially significant manner. The sort of relative strength file, RSI, demonstrates that the SLP coin truly is close oversold zone, as RSI generally is at 34. Showing how yet prior to plunging profound into the SLP specialized investigation, in every practical sense, led us by and large discussion about the for the most part current economic situations, which certainly is genuinely huge. The MACD line truly is remaining beneath of the by and large sign line after a hybrid, so the value worth of the in every practical sense, smooth love mixture, SLP, coin, generally is remaining at $0.003, with market capitalization $137,276,313 United States dollars. Exhibiting how these occasions for the most part demonstrate that the market sort of is going in an especially descending course, for in every practical sense, present moment, which sort of shows that sort of smooth love elixir support and obstruction levels, and so on in a really significant manner. Smooth love mixture financial backers need to sort of hang tight for any directional change over the by and large everyday diagram, beautiful in opposition to prevalent thinking. While SLP's Williams % R pointer especially is at 73.578 for